Data is the driving factor behind effective business initiatives in the digital age. Understanding customer behavior, optimizing inventory management, and making data-driven decisions are all critical for businesses who want to thrive in a competitive market. Shopify POS understands the value of data analysis and provides a robust array of analytic solutions that enable shops to get useful insights. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of data analysis in Shopify POS, demonstrating how it helps retailers discover hidden patterns, make informed decisions, and drive business success. Complete sales analysis. Retailers must understand sales performance in order to discover patterns, quantify success, and optimize tactics. Shopify POS offers comprehensive sales analysis capabilities that enable retailers to drill down into key indicators such as total sales, average order value, and sales by product or category. Retailers can acquire a better knowledge of their sales patterns by using user-friendly dashboards and reports. They can determine their best-selling products, peak sales periods, and customer purchasing habits. With these insights, merchants can make data-driven decisions to optimize pricing, promotional strategies, and product assortment, resulting in higher sales and profits. Customer understanding and segmentation. The analytics tools of Shopify POS allow retailers to acquire important information into their customer base. Retailers can identify useful trends and patterns by analyzing customer data such as demographics, purchasing history, and order frequency. Retailers may discover high-value consumer categories, understand their preferences, and customize marketing campaigns accordingly by segmenting their customer base. Retailers, for example, might build targeted email campaigns or customized specials for certain client groups to increase engagement and conversion. Client analytics also enable retailers to identify and handle client turnover. Retailers can proactively deploy retention measures to prevent attrition and encourage long-term client loyalty by studying customer behavior and finding trends linked with turnover. Optimization of inventory management. For merchants to maintain optimal stock levels and meet customer requests, effective inventory management is critical. The analytics features of Shopify POS extend to inventory analysis, allowing shops to obtain insights on stock levels, turnover, and product performance. Retailers can detect slow-moving or static products and take corrective action by evaluating inventory data. They can change prices, execute marketing strategies to promote specific products, or make informed decisions on product discontinuation or clearance sales. This product mix optimization optimizes inventory turnover, lowers holding costs, and maximizes profitability. Furthermore, businesses can employ analytics to predict future demand and change inventory levels accordingly. Retailers may generate accurate predictions, manage procurement procedures, and avoid stockouts or overstock situations by examining past sales data, seasonal trends, and customer behavior. Optimization of conversion rates. For merchants aiming to improve the efficacy of their online presence, analyzing and optimizing the conversion rate is crucial. The analytics capabilities in Shopify POS allow retailers to measure and evaluate conversion rates, allowing them to find areas for development. Retailers can use customer journey data to determine where potential customers abandon the purchasing process. Retailers can increase the likelihood of successful conversions by identifying friction spots or conversion barriers and making targeted adjustments to their website design, user experience, or checkout process. Additionally, analytics allow merchants to A/B test different marketing tactics, website layouts, and product displays. Retailers may make data-driven decisions about which techniques to deploy and improve their marketing efforts for optimum efficacy by measuring the impact of these changes on conversion rates.